Alright, this is our second location, Casa Azul Maya. There's a step up from the other one and a huge one for only $84 a night. This one's got a full little kitchenette, water, microwave, refrigerator. It's got glasses down there. The sink. Really cool live edge table sitting area. Nice bed. There's this really weird like courtyard area there, but I don't know what that is. Then you've got sink and yay, a blow dryer. Little closet area. The safe, full mirror. It's got a rain shower. Tony's gonna have fun fitting in there. But very cute little bathroom. Still very small. Way nicer. Only $20 more. It also includes Kin Hot Beach Club and breakfast.